Alright, heading out to go meet up with Sam and Kath. This is what I'm wearing. Don't mind the mess. I'm gonna wear the Jeffrey Campbell little jelly shoes. These shorts are from Simple Retro, and then I'm wearing this top from Aritzia from a while ago, and then I have some Missouri jewelry on.
Very relatable.
On the patio with Sam and Kath.
She came out. Hello.
There we go! I'm finally seeing them after like, I don't know how long.
3 years.
Yeah, honestly.
Because last time I was here, we didn't see each other.
I know, that was so sad when you went to get your tattoo. I don't know.
And then she almost canceled on me. Yeah, I'm on the train. Anyways, I'm on the train to go to the tattoo. I'm like 30 minutes away, and she's like, yeah, so sorry. We're going to have to reschedule.
Oh no, that was terrible.
I had booked everything like 6 months in advance.
And it was so far away too.
Yeah. The Dragon Rice cakes.
Thank you.
And ginger scallion noodles.
But you guys are going to Disney, so the channel is
SK Disney.
There we go.
SK Disney. Yeah. Instagram. That's our Instagram.
Disney. There we go.
Well. Yeah, but like.
Actually, I tried to look for it, and I was like, how come it's not showing up?
Because we haven't posted in like
okay,
2.5 million years.
Okay.
I haven't finished editing the vlogs from February 2019.
You need to edit them. I would watch them. And then Sam has another YouTube channel.
Yeah, Eris.
Yes. Yeah. And then podcast.
SK Chat.
Yeah, and I'm on 2 of the episodes, so you have to.
Oh,
yes.
It's so good.
Okay, anyways.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So good. So good.
Like at home when oh my God.
Really? Look who came.
He was in the middle of a meeting.
It is Saturday, July the 24th, and I am getting ready to go pick up Sam and Kath. Super random, but I wanted to share with you guys some stuff that I ended up buying because I didn't know like where to put this. I don't usually do like beauty hauls. Place an order on Sephora because they had the 2,500 point offer where you redeem 2,500 points and you get a $100 gift card. I think, to be fair, like that's the best beauty perk that they have. So I placed an order for it, so half the stuff, not half, like all the stuff basically was free except for one item. So I got this Biossance Squalene Marine Algae Eye Cream from Biossance. It's just a sample size, but really wanted to try it out, so I got that. They sent me a foil packet, which I hate that stuff, so. And then they sent me another foil packet for dark spot solution, which I hate that stuff. And then I started using the SKINFIX Barrier Plus Oil Cleanser, and honestly, I have to say, I feel like that has cleared my skin. I was getting like pimples on my forehead, and I was like, I don't know what's going on. Originally was using Drunk Elephant. I'm gonna back away from that brand because there's a lot of weird stuff happening there, but SKINFIX, love this. They won a 2018 Allure Beauty Award, so this has been working really good. I bought this. This was like $40 or so, but the stuff that I got for free, well, it wasn't technically for free. I like earned these points, right? But the stuff that I got with the $100 gift card was stuff that Lauren, or Elle Valakay here on YouTube, kept bullying me about. She was like texting me for a while. She went through this phase where she was like obsessed with NECESSAIRE. So she's been bullying me about it. So I ended up picking up 3 things. Everything is fragrance free for me because if you guys follow my channel, if you guys see, I always have problematic eczema skin. So I don't really want to get something with scents. Also, I chronic nose issues, so like scents for me, we don't mix that well. So I got the NECESSAIRE body lotion, fragrance free. I got the NECESSAIRE body wash, fragrance free. Like, I know that's not as fun, but you know. And then I also got the NECESSAIRE hand cream, and I don't, yeah, fragrance free. So that was the 4 things that I got, and everything was already like $140. Well, I was at $98 and I wanted to use the full 100, so I needed one anyways, so I picked up a SKINFIX. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that stuff because I don't really do beauty hauls. But let me know if you guys are interested in like skincare and stuff, because that's my jam. Sensitive skincare is my jam. Things that work for Lauren, unfortunately, half the time don't work for me because I just have very sensitive, eczema prone skin. So she does recommend me a lot of things, and I will try them because she is skincare queen. But because my skin is so problematic. Half the time some stuff doesn't work, some stuff does work. So anyways, let me know if you guys want videos on those things. But yeah, you know, I'm excited to try these items out. I'm gonna put on Trash Taste, listen to that while I get ready for the day. If anyone has a connection to Trash Taste or someone that knows Trash Taste that could connect me, let me know. Hook a girl up, because would love to be friends with them. Quick outfit of the day, Camaro t-shirt from TNA. I'm wearing size medium, and these are the, what are they called? A Goldie crisscross denim that I recently bought for a steal of a deal of $150. And I think with the bag choice, we're going retro today. So I'm using the Gucci boat, and it fits everything, so it'll be good. Okay, I actually changed it to this cropped ribbed t-shirt from TNA instead, because it's less form-fitting and it's like longer. And I wanted to have length because I'm gonna be eating a lot today. Oh, so cute.
Oh, okay.
This little Zen garden. Well, you know what it is?
Delish.
It's smell and texture.
Everyone got the same thing. Eggs Benny with chassis and snow pea leaves and some mash.
Eat all of this.
Look at that.
Whatever you don't eat.
I'm at the Japanese market now. Oh my god, they have my favorite water, the peach one right there. I lost Sam and Kath. I don't know where they went. What is that? That looks so good. Ooh, pancake mix. Japanese pancake mix. Minions. The Quinton section. Whoa, pickled eggs, what the heck? So I'm now in OOMOMO because I'm really bad at vlogging, and I found this. It's only $2, so I'm gonna get it. Sam and Kath are looking around too because they don't have anything like this in Montreal. So they're here buying some cheap souvenirs and looking around, preparing themselves for their Disney trip.
We should splurge.
Film.
It didn't come.
You don't know. Yeah, he was confused. But I'm already in cards. Wave, guys. I'm literally sitting like this.
Oh, it's also after 11.
That was it for my weekend vlog. It was really full and fun packed. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us. I don't know if these vlogs are fun for you guys to see, but yeah, I essentially took them literally all over the place. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at _HelloHarley. Make sure to follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley. Sam and Kath's links will all be in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!